The universe is filled with treasure. Are you ready to receive your treasure in 24 hours or less? Perhaps you'll receive a treasure. Perhaps you'll receive money. Perhaps you'll receive an unexpected gift using the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. Your dreams, your goals, using ancient mysteries, cutting edge science, and of course, the law of attraction. Thank you for subscribing, and be sure and click the bell icon. You know, people ask me, is it really possible? Is it really possible to win or to achieve or to receive a treasure or a gift or some unexpected money from the universe in 24 hours? And the answer is, well, of course it is. Look, the universe built the universe, okay? Source energy created the entire universe. If the entire universe can be created with just thought alone, if the universe can be created with thought, and everything we know come into being, bringing you a gift, or a treasure, or unexpected money in 24 hours or less that's child's play for the universe. That's easy. Say it with me. That's easy. You got to say it. You got to believe it. You see, the problem is many of us believe that things are difficult. It's difficult to save this relationship. It's difficult to have a good marriage. It's difficult to raise children nowadays. It's difficult to start a business. It's difficult to make a lot of money. No, it's not difficult. That's a belief. And if you choose to have that belief, that will be exactly what you manifest. You will manifest what you believe. So, number one, move your mind away from all this need and want. Look, I understand there are things you want. Everybody wants something in the world. Everybody feels they need something. But the truth of the matter is, you don't always need something. You don't always want something. You believe you need it. You believe you want it. So move away from need and want. And here's why. When you're in a state of need, when you're in a state of want, you're like a beggar to the universe with your hands out. Please, please. The universe doesn't respond to that. The universe responds by matching exactly what you are. It's like Wayne Dyer said, you attract what you are, not what you want. So here's the first secret is move away from need. Move away from want. Be open to receiving. High flyers, be open. Say, I am open to receiving. I'm shocked at how many people are really not open to receiving. They would rather be in a state of need and want than be in a relaxed, easygoing, harmonious state of receiving. It's so easy to receive. The universe is constantly giving. Constantly giving. Are you open to receiving? Write it down below. I am open to receiving. You really need to have this feeling in you that you are open to receiving. Now, the next thing you need to do is Center your focus. Center your focus. The easiest way to center your focus is with breath work. So throughout the day, if I find myself getting a little anxious or a little nervous, that means I'm moving into the state of need and want. I don't want to be in that state of need and want. I desire to be in a harmonious state of receiving. And the easiest way to remind me of that on an energetic level is to take a deep breath in. Hold it, hold it, hold it for 4 seconds and slowly out through the mouth. Now, sometimes I will pause and do that for 3 or 4 minutes. Other times, one breath is all I need to put myself in a focused state. I'm kind of lucky I have this Apple Watch, and it will actually remind me throughout the day to pause for a moment and breathe. I think if there's no other reason to own an Apple Watch than that one app, I think it's worth it, because so often we forget to breathe and center ourselves. And as we get tense, as we just are focusing on need and want, we choke off the energy. We choke off the receiving. So be open to receiving and breathe. Focus on your vibration, not on the treasure, not on the money, not on the gift. The gift, the money, the treasure, it's coming. It's already here, as a matter of fact. It's already present. Oh, can you say that? I know what I desire. The gift from the universe is already present. It's already here. So be passionate about it. Be grateful for it. I am so grateful that I am receiving unexpected money or a gift or a treasure from the universe. Now, naturally, it will come from a variety of different sources, but the universe has orchestrated the entire thing. Gratitude is important. Passion is important. Now, close your eyes. Well, if you're driving, don't close your eyes. And say this invocation with me. I invoke the hidden and secret powers of the universe. I am open to receiving the goodness that you, the infinite universe, are bringing me within this 24-hour period. And I am ultimately grateful for it. Now, say that invocation. Say it once. Mean it. Feel it. Feel the energy of that. Oh, when I do it, when I do this technique, I visualize that gold treasure chest. And all kinds of things happen. Sometimes the treasure is big. Sometimes it's small. Okay, so I visualize a gold treasure chest. You can visualize whatever you'd like. Don't tell the universe what to bring you. Oh, did I say that? Yes. This is allowing, receiving, and trusting. This is allowing, receiving, and trusting. Complete trust. Allow the universe to bring you exactly what you're ready to receive. Now, I've had clients do this and receive a phone call from somebody that they hadn't heard from in many, many years, receive unexpected sources of money, receive gifts from people. All kinds of things happen. I don't know what's going to happen for you, but I know it's already happening because you are open to receiving. Here's the next thing. Do not ask, where is the money? Where is the gift? Where is the treasure? Remember, the 24 hours is your timeline. The universe really doesn't work on your timeline. So it could come in 12 hours. It can come in 3 hours. It can come in 38 hours. 24 is just kind of a target. It's kind of a target. So don't sit there every 5 minutes. Has it come yet? Let me go check the mail. Maybe it's there. Let me drive down the block. Maybe it's there. Let me call someone. Maybe it's there. Forget about it. Let it go. Let it go. Just be open to receiving. Say that invocation, and you can say it more than once, but say it with feeling and heart and love and gratitude. Next, visualize opening up that treasure chest. And you can visualize anything you want in there. I like to visualize gold coins. I don't know. Gold coins represent something to me. They represent abundance and prosperity and real money. But you can visualize anything you like. Finally, high flyers. Just get off the ground and soar. Soar like a big, beautiful eagle. Forget about it and let the universe bring you your gift or your treasure or your unexpected money. Just allow it to happen. Breathe deep. Just breathe deep and allow it to happen. Hey, be sure and share below your treasures, your gifts, or your unexpected money. We'd like to share with you. Okay, you have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.